everybody. It's Mrs. Cundy again. All right, since we already read the lemonade stand, what we're going to work on today is retelling the story. So you need something to write with and a piece of paper. So pause the video, get what you need, and then when you get back, we'll start. Okay. If you're ready, we're going to start. You don't have to write on your own. You can follow along with me, okay? So we're going to start with the word first. So go ahead and write the word first, F-I-R-S-T, okay? We're going to make sure we put words like first in our writing today so we can remember the order of things. So when I think back of this story and I think about how it started, it kind of starts when Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade, okay? So I think that should be our first sentence. We want to make sure that we include the names Sarah and Blake because we want to make sure we name our characters. So we're going to say first Sarah and Blake. Now, sometimes names are kind of hard to remember. Sarah was spelled S-A-R-A. Don't forget, she needs a capital letter. First Sarah and Blake. We need to start with a capital B for Blake. Blake. And then I remember from the story that he had a long A with the E at the end. So first, Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade. Decide. This is a hard one. I hear something at the beginning, D-E, side, decide. It sounds like an S, but it's not. Do you remember yesterday when we talked about the soft C? So this is actually a C making the S sound. Decide. Okay. C and I together make the same soft C sound. Decide. Now, this I is saying its name, so we need to put an E at the end, okay? First, Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade. To make lemonade. So, to make. Don't forget the E at the end, okay? To make the A say its name. First, Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade. Remember, that was a long one we practiced yesterday. Lemonade. So let's spell it syllable by syllable. Remember, that was a schwa. It's not U. It was actually an O. So lemon, and then aid. And then you need the E at the end because the A said its name, okay? First, Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade, period. And if you ever need to pause the video to catch up with me, that's fine, okay? All right, so we have what happened first, and I'm going to underline first. You guys can do that too. Let's start with the word next to show the order. So next. What happened next in the story? That's kind of when they're getting everything ready. So maybe we could say something like, next, they set up and make the lemonade, okay? Because I remember they're getting their sign ready, they're getting the table ready, and they're actually mixing all the ingredients together. So let's kind of simplify that and say next, they set up and make lemonade. So next, they, that's one of our sight words, T-H-E-Y. Next, they set up, and make. We already wrote make before. Make. Next, they set up and make lemonade. We already wrote lemonade. So you can write it again. Lemonade. Okay. So that's our second sentence. So we have first, Sarah and Blake decide to make lemonade. Next, they set up and make lemonade.